Are you uploading Reels videos in the right way? I don't think so. That's why your videos are not getting re's despite giving so much good content. If there are no res, views are not coming. If there are no views, followers are not coming. Besides, your videos are not going viral either. So how do you upload Reels videos in the right way? I will discuss that in today's video. As always, I am with you, Himmel. Number one, the Reels you are uploading should be in 9:6 because Facebook's AI prefers 9:16. If you want, you can't do it in any other format, but you can. Then you can do it in 169. You can upload videos in any ratio. But the one that people feel comfortable watching and the one that Facebook's robot actually gives priority to is 9:16. So if you want to get more reach, you must upload your videos in 16. The thing to do is to upload your videos in full HD without giving them 4K or any other resolution. That is, uploaded in 1080 by 1920 pixels. Then Facebook's robot will give it priority, and your video will have the possibility of getting more views. Facebook's robot gives the highest priority to MP4 format. Okay, we have come to our smartphone screen. Now look, I am already on my page, so I will upload the Reels from the page. I will click on the option that is in the Reels. After clicking, my gallery will open. Now from here, I will select my video. Now from here, you will see that the work I will do from here is editing. There is an option. I will click here. After clicking, you can see that we have given this thumbnail. Now you may be wondering where this thumbnail came from, okay? When we were editing the video, we had put this thumbnail in the beginning. I created a thumbnail in Photoshop. I put that thumbnail in the beginning, and within 1 to 2 seconds, I put it in and exported the video along with the thumbnail. Now I can set this thumbnail here, okay? So you can do the same thing. The thumbnail in the video is very important. That is why you should put the thumbnail in your video, okay? You will put it in 1 to 2 seconds. Then from here, this is how I saw it. It is done with the thumbnail, and save it. First, the thumbnail work is done. Now comes your title. You will give a title related to the video you have created. The title should be attractive, but it should be in few words. That is, not something very big, as little as possible, but the main things that are in your video should be in this title. Then comes the description. In the description, you will write what the video is related to and give a little detail. You've given it very briefly in the title. You can make the description a little bigger, but you can write the description within 255 words. But I suggest you not to write it so big, brother. It is better to write it within 20 to 30 words. However, the words that you have given in the title should be in the description, okay? Then it is from here that the odd topic. So after clicking here, from here you can select the topic on which you have created the video. Let's say I gave it environmental science, is that right? I save my video with this related, then the location. If you want, you can give it, but there is no problem if you don't. Then it is create playlist from video. You will create this playlist. I'm not showing you how to create the playlist. Let me tell you why the playlist is needed. You may have many other videos in the category of the video you are uploading, okay? If you put this video in the playlist or upload related videos, then when you put them under the same playlist, then these videos are suggested or recommendations are shown, and the views of the video will be more, okay? Then if you click Share to Group from here, if you have a group that you have created or joined, then you can submit it to that group at the same time when posting the video. Okay, this is the point. More views will come from here. Then comes tag and collaboration. The tag is very important for a video. Okay? So you will give the tag from here, but you have to give the related tag that the video is related to. Okay? By that related tag, I'll tell you a little more about what people can search for by typing and putting it in all the tags. Then there's the invite collaboration. Okay? If you collaborate with an organization and publish the video, you can do this collaboration with them. Okay? Okay? Then the option below is share to channel. Okay? You know that we can share these videos on our channel. Okay? So if you want to share, then of course you can share it. And if you want to give a poll here, give a poll or add a message, you can do that. I'm not doing any of that here, just showing you. The next option is create shorter version of Reels. I mean, this is when you are uploading a full video, okay? Then it will be useful. Then when you click on it, you will remove the mark, okay? When you right-click on it, when you go to Next, this video will be uploaded as a full video. It will also be uploaded as Reels, okay? Since we are uploading Reels, we don't need to give it. This is for full videos, okay? Then there is a brand partnership. If you have a brand partnership, then give it. If you don't, it doesn't actually affect the views. No. Then there is earn money. If your monetization is turned on, okay? Then you will see that the monetization content is monetization or star check them a little bit, and it is turned on by default. Usually then is closed captioning. Okay, here. If you want to write the caption separately, or you can turn on the automatic caption option. Okay, this is the issue. So now, if you want to upload the video directly before you can do it, there is an option at the top, AI level off. Okay, if you have made this video with AI, then you will turn on this option. I am saying again and again, if you have made the video with AI, then you will turn it on. Otherwise, claims may come to your video. Okay? And monetization may go away. And if you do this, monetization will not go. No claim will come, but everything will be fine. The main thing is that Facebook's robot will understand that this video is made with AI. This is the main thing. So after these tasks are completed, there is a Share Now option below. You can just click here and share it, okay? This is the fact. Share means that the video is now being uploaded by me. So in a while, this video will be uploaded to my